Thinking of hosting a destination wedding in Mexico at a family-friendly resort? Let me show you one of my favorites, which is Dreams Riviera Cancun. So we're at Dreams Riviera Cancun, and this is the lobby. And I always say, once you've arrived to this lobby, you know you're in paradise. Look at the lobby. It is just so relaxing. You have a bar here. You feel like you're in the jungle, but you're really not, because you're only about a little walk down to the beach. In the lobby, you have access to a couple restaurants. You have Bordeaux, and you also have Portofino, or the patio, which is the French restaurant and also the Mexican restaurant. So let's take a look in here. So we're entering El Patio, which is the Mexican restaurant, as you can tell. This is one of my favorite restaurants at the resort. As you can tell, the vibe is definitely Mexican. This restaurant is open for dinner. It is a la carte. If you want to customize and you need vegetarian or vegan, they have the capability to do that. They also have a kids menu. Again, this restaurant does not have reservations. It's first come, first serve. And again, it's right at the main lobby next to the French restaurant. Now, one of the most popular wedding venues at the resort is the main steps. As you can see, they can set up, so they're very dramatic. They will stop the guests from coming down. Your guests will sit in this area here, and you will come down. They'll put a runner. You could have a gazebo put in down here, but this is probably one of the most dramatic venues at the resort. It's the main steps. The Plunge Pool Preferred Club room. Now, the plunge pools here are my favorite rooms because they are reasonably priced for a plunge pool room versus other resorts. So let's take a look around. When you first come in on the left-hand side, you do have the bathroom. And yes, it is kind of an open concept bathroom. So you have two sinks, which is nice. You have all your amenities, plenty of towels, plenty of storage. They give you a hair dryer. And here's the thing, if you're worried about the privacy, what they've done is you can basically go like this, and the room gets private for the bathroom. Now let's look at the fun here. We do have a hot tub here, so you can fill that up, put some bubble bath in there. And then back here again on the privacy, you do have a toilet room over here. And on the other side, you have a very nice shower with a handheld and a a seat. The nice thing here is the controls are over here, so you don't have to go in and go over there and then turn it on and get all cold. And there's all your amenities. So you have some storage here, and let's look at the storage. So nice things here you should know. So you do have robes. They will set the slippers out for you in the evening. Do have a safe, and just in case your shirt for the wedding got wrinkled, they do have an iron and an ironing board. If you do need your laundry done, you can talk to someone at the Preferred, and they can help you with the laundry. So this is a double bedded room. So there are two beds in here. You have a TV and a desk. As you can see, you do have an outlet and a USB, which is nice, two USBs. So again, here's your double bedded room, nice ceiling fan, some lighting, air conditioning controls. There also is a mini bar in the room service for all room categories. And again, let's go look at the highlight of the room. As you can see right outside, the plunge pool. So what's nice is it is a private plunge pool. You are not sharing it with anybody. You do have a lounger out here and a chair. So again, this is the Preferred Club plunge pool room. Now I want to show you one of the coolest bridal suites around. This is a new room at Dreams Riviera Cancun. So this is the everlasting beloved bridal suite. So let's take a look inside. Now this bridal suite, we really suggest that you book it for your whole stay, but you can book it for a night. Here's the thing, they only have one of them. So do not wait, please. Look at this bathroom. This room, again, is for you to stay in, or you can rent it for the day of the wedding. You can get done in here. Your bridesmaids come in, but let's take a look. So you do have a toilet room here. Let's see, you do have a shower. Nice rain head shower, big rain head shower. Controls are right in here as well. So you have a handheld and you have hangers for your robes. Nice mirror to get ready in. And then here Look at this. I apologize, we just had a team meeting here, but there's a full dining area. And as you can see, they made some nice cookies for us. And again, so that you can get ready in here, you have your makeup mirrors, you have the seating, and the folks from the spa will come in here to make up whoever wants to get made up. You have a refrigerator back there. This is Preferred Club, so you have Preferred Club amenities. As you can see, you have your coffee maker and my favorite M&Ms. There will be a bottle of alcohol in here as well, and you do have a mini bar. Now let's take a look in here. Again, the coolness just continues. So they'll have your dress right here, but look at this. You can step up right here, and you have a dressing area as well. Makeup area. And look at this beautiful king-size bed. And then you do have storage, a TV, and a nice soaking tub, a jacuzzi soaking tub. And there's plenty of storage here for anything, your gown, any of your dress for your stay. And then if you go right out here, as you can see, you do have a beautiful terrace. And this is an oceanfront room category. So the terrace wraps around. So as you go out into the living and dining area, your terrace is out here as well. And as you can see, there is the beautiful ocean for the bridal suite at Dreams Riviera Cancun. Again, ask us about it. It's something that there's only one of, so you want to make sure you book it ASAP when you book your wedding. Now we are at one of the main wedding venues here. This is right with the beach in the background. As you can see, if you don't want to be on the sand, but you want to be with the ocean in the background, look at this venue. Now, again, it is by the pool, and there is water on either side of it, but no one's out here late in the evening. When you have your wedding at about 5 o'clock, they cordon off the area, it gets very quiet. Okay, here is something really unique for your wedding at Dreams Riviera Cancun. As you can see, this is a 2-story beachfront cabana. They only have one of them. So make sure when you're talking to the wedding team, as soon as you reserve your office, you ask about this. They charge approximately $1,500 for the day. But let's take a look at this. This is just an amazing location. You get to hang out here. They provide a butler to you. They have a TV. Can you imagine watching the Super Bowl or some rom-coms here? Plenty of seating. Have your own private pool. Private beach access right here. Walk down, have your own showers, and you're right on the beach. And again, you do have a second level where you can have more chairs up there. So let's go upstairs and see what the second level is like. Okay, I'm now up on the second level of the cabana. As you can see, they have a couple chairs up here. They'll bring a couple more for you. But look at the view up here. You are right on the beach. As you can see, you have your private pool, some chairs down here. And this is the beachfront cabana. There is only one right now. So make sure, if you do have interest, you ask the wedding team as soon as you book it, and they will take care of that for you. Now, just in case your group with the cabana gets large, they have an area right behind the cabana with some bolly beds. And if you want, they will privatize this area for you as well. You could have a private event back here. You could extend your cabana. As you can see, the cabana is right over here, but this area is right behind it. Very unique venues. Definitely a cool venue. Don't have this at many other resorts. As you can see, the lobby is back there. This is the main walkway at the resort. So as you walk down here, the lights are on at night, the buildings are looking over, and as you just come forward, the ocean is this way. But as you can see, as the sign says, we are at Dreams. Great resort for a destination wedding.